Generative AI has taken the world by storm. Being able to enter a prompt and generate text, video, audio, and pictures has captivated us all. However, up until recently, building these generative AI solutions has been difficult. People have had to hunt for GPU-backed servers where supply has been constrained. And to make matters worse, the lift on you to make it highly available and fault-tolerant and secure is on you. In the next few minutes, we're going to cover 5 reasons you should build generative AI solutions on Amazon Bedrock. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to highlight a free training that's going to take the knowledge of what you learned in this video to the next level. If you're new here, I'm Greg, creator of Thoughtful Techie Cloud, and each week I create a simple to understand video that helps you navigate your AWS cloud and tech journey. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe below. Now, if you're not familiar with Amazon Bedrock, it's the easiest way to build and scale generative AI applications with foundation models. Unlike going out there and fighting to get a GPU server, Amazon Bedrock is a fully managed service. Amazon Bedrock allows you to pick the right foundation model for the right use case, and it does it through an API interface. So let's start with reason number 1. There is no single foundation model or large language model that can do it all. Amazon Bedrock is going to give you a choice of several models that you can choose from leading AI companies. These are going to be companies like AI 21 Labs, Amazon, Anthropic, Cohere, Meta, Mistral AI, and Stability AI. And what's great about having this comprehensive model choice is these models are going to support a wide range of use cases. For example, text generation, virtual assistants, text and image search, text summarization, and image generation. Which now leads to reason 2, model evaluation. With so many foundation models to choose from, how do you know when you've landed on the right one? Model evaluation is how. Amazon Bedrock is going to allow you to evaluate, compare, and select the best foundation model for your use case. You have your choice between automatic evaluation and human evaluation. The way automatic evaluation works is you'll have predefined metrics such as accuracy, robustness, and toxicity. Or if you want to go the human evaluation route, now you can do subjective or custom metrics, for example, friendliness, style, or whether or not there's an alignment to a brand voice. This is going to make sure that the foundation models you select are the best for your given use case. Reason number 3, security and privacy. Amazon Bedrock is going to give you full control over your data. Your data is going to be encrypted in transit as well as rest. And you'll be able to create, manage, and control encryption keys with AWS Key Management Service. And you really can tighten security up with identity-based policies, which is going to give you additional control over your data and help you manage what actions users and roles can perform and under what conditions. Now, let's say you want to fine-tune your model. Your data is not shared with the model provider and is not used to improve the base model. And another cool thing is you can leverage AWS Private Link to give you private connectivity from your Amazon Virtual Private Cloud to Amazon Bedrock without ever having to expose your VPC to internet traffic. Reason number 4, responsible AI. These foundation models are trained on huge amounts of data, much of it coming from the public internet. And while the model providers have gone to great lengths to optimize the models, Amazon Bedrock takes it a step further with guardrails for Amazon Bedrock. Guardrails from Amazon Bedrock is going to help you to evaluate user inputs as well as the foundation model outputs. Based on specific policies, you can adjust. And this gives you a lot of control over blocking undesirable topics in your generative AI applications. And the 5th reason you should build generative AI solutions on Amazon Bedrock is the overall Amazon Bedrock developer experience. This ties everything together that we've talked about. When you have a service that's built with security, privacy, high availability, and fault tolerance in mind, and then you open it up and you allow that level of model choice for your foundation models to be able to go in and choose the right foundation model and large language model for your generative AI use cases and have the tooling to be able to evaluate those models, whether you do automatic model evaluation or human evaluation. The security and privacy story with encrypting your data in transit, encrypting the data at rest, integrating it with AWS Key Management Service, and being able to very granularly go in with identity policies to really lock down the security. as well as being able to leverage AWS Private Link to securely link your VPC to Amazon Bedrock. And if you need to do any fine-tuning, your data stays private and the base model never leverages your data to train that base model. And then the icing on the cupcake with the responsible AI to give you additional guardrails on Amazon Bedrock that makes sure that your generative AI solutions are aligning to responsible AI policies. And as promised, I have a free training generative AI learning plan for developers. This is around 12 hours of free training that's going to cover an introduction to generative AI, planning a generative AI project, Amazon Bedrock, getting started, foundations of prompt engineering, building generative AI applications using Amazon Bedrock, and a training on Amazon Q for developer getting started. If you're wanting to deepen your knowledge on generative AI and Amazon Bedrock, definitely take this training. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out this video here where I give you an overview of the AWS AI Practitioner and Machine Learning Engineer Associate certifications. And I'll see you in the next video.